Hello guys, if you are coming to Sa Coma, you need to see this video. I will go to make a video on the beach. And if you are new on this channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, activate the bell like this, you know when I'm posting a new video. Let's go around, let's see how it's looking Sa Coma. Today is 4th of May. I don't know when I will post this video. Let's go around, let's see how it's looking. Okay guys, I will show you a little bit around. If you are staying in Safari Park or any Protur hotels, they are here around. You have only one place where to go for party. Is a club, the King's Heads. They have also in the day is a restaurant and a bar, and in the night they are closing the windows and will be a club. It's really nice. And guess what, they have also show, they have live entertainment. If you are staying here around the King's Heads, it's your place. I'll show you how to go there. Okay, how you come from Safari Park, you come from the street down till here, and here you go on the right. You come from that way, you go on your right, because you need to come down. I was coming from another side, and I'll show you right now. You go like another 30 meters and you arrive to the club. Let's go. Okay, here you have Vista Badia Hotel. The club is exactly next to it. You go out from this gate and you go on your right and you arrive exactly to the club. It is not too far away from Vista Badia, actually is next door. And here you have the King's Heads. At the moment it's closed because it's 12 in the day. I don't know what time they are opening, because they have also food. And the food is quite nice. Here you have a supermarket or something like that. And here is the King's Heads. You don't have another club around here, guys. In this town is the only club here. Look at that. It's not so big inside, but you have space to do a good party if you come with your friends. Let's go to see also the menu. Is the program here. Bar is open 1 till 3 in the morning. Yeah. Kitchen 1 to 10 in the afternoon. And here you have the menu. It's quite nice. You have a lot of options. A coffee is €2.50, black coffee €2.50. Let's see. Alioli €5.50. It's quite nice. I recommend you alioli. $12.50, $12.80, $12.80. Let's see a burger. Let's see what is the burgers. Burgers $13.50, $11.50. You have quite good prices. Pasta $12.50, $10.80. It's quite nice. They have pizza $12.20, and I think the owner is English. Okay, from here, from the King's Heads, how you go down. From here you go on the left and you arrive exactly on the beach, where you have also Burger King. It's quite nice. The street, they put this here with Sa Coma. Before wasn't. If you want to go with a bicycle, you have all the way till, I think it's from the beach all the way, and you can go to Calamior with the bicycle or with the electric scooter. And over there is the beach. Let's go around, let's see how it's looking. Okay guys, we're right here is the Burger King, exactly next to the beach. And like 10 meters away is the beach. I see the Burger King is open. I'll pass later to see the prices. It's quite windy today. Let's go around. I'll go to see the beach. The beach is not looking so amazing for this. If you come on this time, you need to see this video before to book your holiday. Wow. Okay, I arrived to the beach. Let's change the camera. Let's see how it's looking. Look at that, guys. Nobody cleaned it yet. The beach is looking like this. Quite crazy. Look at that. What happened here? Wow. Like this. Oh my goodness. Crazy. I think the other side is a little bit cleaner. Let's go to see how it's looking. Wow. Oh, it's so dirty. I don't know why nobody cleaned this thing. But I see over there is better. Let's go till there to see how it's looking. Look at these guys. Oh my god. Okay guys, like this is looking, the beach is a lot of dirt on it. It's not clean yet and it's 4th of May, yeah? And if it's looking like this, it's horrible. Horrible. The water is so black. For this coming on this stunning holidays beginning and in the end of the season, the water is looking like this. From here it's starting to be a little bit cleaner. Let's change the camera to show you around. Okay. Okay guys, how you see, the beach is not so great today. I hope they are fixing as soon as possible. Let's go a little bit around to see what the restaurants they open, to have some food, to see the prices, and we go more around. There are palm trees everywhere. And this part is quite busy. If you want to stay in hotel, it would be nice to have that room with the sea view. These are entire buildings here from hotel. And be careful how you choose your holiday, because it depends on you how you book, what room did you book. Just pay attention, check really good also the areas around, because you can come in holiday and if you catch the beach like this not clean at the moment, I don't know how great will be your holiday, but for sure they will clean as soon as possible, because you still have a part where it's clean. I think it's around about half and half. These palm trees here, they look amazing. Wow. nice parties with the palm trees. Oh, okay guys, this was the video for today in Sa Coma. If you like to support me, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, activate the bell, like this you know when I'm posting a new video. And of course don't forget to share with your friends, will be helping me a lot. And of course if you want to see something else in Mallorca, a review to a restaurant or a review to a hotel, just let me a comment, like this I know where to go next time. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.